right, welcome everyone. Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Allie, and I'm back again with another video. You guys, also want to welcome those of you who are new to my channel as well. Today I will be actually doing this video about press-on nails that I'll be creating for my mannequin hand. Basically, we're gonna do our own press-on nails, and I'm basically demonstrating it to you guys on the mannequin hand, that so you can see how you can do it yourself, to create it for yourself. So you're basically gonna file the nail down, as you can see I'm showing you guys how you file it, and you just round it up and you shape it with your nail itself, which I'll show you guys how I shape up the nail with the mannequin hand as well, and then go back into shaping it into the style. Sorry guys. Okay, now as you can see, I just basically put it on the nail, see if it match up with the corners of the nail and everything, and I just basically keep doing that till I get it exactly how I want, all the way around. And then I shape it at the other end, you guys, and as I go in, you will see how I actually shape it and put it to the nail. And once I get it to the desired shape and fit into the nail like I want it, then I go on to the next nail, and I basically going to repeat the same thing for each nail, as you can see throughout the video. And then I'm going to go ahead and use the display that I got from Amazon through AliExpress. It's through AliExpress, but I got it through Amazon. So basically, I'm gonna use that display to actually do the press-on nails for the mannequin hand, and I'm gonna show you guys how I go through that and designing the nails. So I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the video, and I'll be right back. I just want you guys to see how I actually did it and went through the whole video with that. Okay, so I will be right back. All right, you guys. Now I'm going to go ahead and set up. I hope you guys enjoyed how I actually created these press-on nails for the mannequin hand. And I'm just basically, when I took it off the display, and just go back around the edges to make sure everything's good. So now I'm just going to glue them on, and I'm going to show you how it looks, you guys. And you can actually do this for yourself to do your hand. I demonstrated it doing it on the mannequin hand. I definitely intend on doing it for my nails one day, so you guys can actually see how I did it for my nails as well. Just wanted to show you guys how I created my own press-on nails for the mannequin hand. And I'm going to show you guys how it looked, you guys. It came out pretty good. I'm going to show you the whole hand. And I did a little design too, so I really like the design. Came out really good. Alright, just getting all this stuff together. I'm getting the other nails because those ones are drying. So as you can see, I'm going to take these off of here. And I'm going to go ahead and just get it situated so I can take it off. And I'm going to actually put it on the actual nail. Sorry, you guys. I should have lifted up the camera a little bit more, but I used a cotton ball and alcohol to remove the sticky residue from the nail. So that's what I was doing. So I didn't catch it on the camera itself. So now I'm just wanted you guys to know what I was doing. And now I'm just going to go ahead and press these nails on here. These last 3 nails. Add a little glue to it. And this is just basically beginner friendly for those of you who just starting off learning how to do nails, and you want to just have a quick and easy way to do your nails, have something on your nails. You know, this is a quick way you could do it, experiment and learn how to do press-on nails. So you can do it yourself. You can style it however you want and do it yourself. Look at that. So, I'm going to show you guys now. And get the last nail on there. Here we go. Alright, I'm about to show you guys. And if y'all have reached all the way to the end of this video, you guys, and you guys enjoy the video and would like to see more of my content and stay updated to every video that I will be posting. Oh, that's the alcohol, you guys, that I use. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so that you can stay updated and be alert to every video that I will be posting on Saturday and Sunday. And if you don't see a post within that day, definitely no later than 1 day of the day that I actually need to post the video, okay? So yeah, you guys, check it out. Check it out. Looking good, looking good. Hey, you guys, don't forget to give your girls a thumbs up. Don't forget to give your girl a thumb up. Give me a thumbs up, you guys. And drop me a comment down below, you guys. Show me some love, you guys. And yeah. All right, you guys. I will definitely see each and every one of you guys next week, Saturday and Sunday. Y'all enjoy the week, and I will see you Saturday and Sunday next week. Bye, everyone. Bye.